Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about T-BACT Ointment, coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals, Ltd. T-BACT Ointment. Uses. T-BACT Ointment is used in the treatment of bacterial skin infections. It helps treat infections caused by bacteria on the skin. Benefits. T-BACT Ointment is an antibiotic that works by preventing the growth of bacteria responsible for skin infections. It blocks the synthesis of essential proteins required for bacterial survival. The medicine is effective against skin infections such as boils, impetigo, and infected hair follicles. It may also be used to treat infections in small cuts or wounds on the skin. Side effects. Like all medicines, T-BACT ointment may cause some side effects. Common side effects include itching, burning sensation, rash, stinging sensation, and pain at the application site. If these side effects persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. T-BACT ointment is for external use only. Use it in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Before applying, clean and dry the affected area. Apply the ointment gently and massage it onto the affected skin. How it works. T-BACT ointment is an antibiotic that kills bacteria responsible for skin infections. It works by preventing the synthesis of essential proteins necessary for bacterial survival. This action stops the infection from spreading further.